Welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Jojo, and today, as you can see by the title of this video, I'm basically going to be showing you myself installing my next protective style, and I'm planning on doing like medium or medium size twists, not too big but not too small either, and I want to keep this protective style for 2 weeks. So yeah, so let's get into this. I already washed my hair last night. Actually no, not last night, I lie. Yeah, I washed my hair 3 nights ago. I was just waiting for my hair to dry because I wanted to do the style on like fairly stretched hair, but I didn't want to blow dry my hair, so I just waited for it to dry, and it took that long to dry. Comment down below if you can relate, if you have hair that takes forever to dry, because mine takes forever. Anyway, so I just kept it in these twists, and I had it in this puff to help let it dry. Looks very weird because they've been in this puff for 3 days, but I just had them in these twists, and the twists were kind of strategic. I like basically pre-planned my parts in the shower as I was sectioning my hair out for wash day, and yeah, hopefully this will make this go easier. Okay, so I'm gonna get started on this section here. Yeah, since I already washed my hair, I did already apply my leave-in and oils. Yeah, so I don't think I'm going to be applying any more product to my hair. The only thing I'm going to be doing is just spritzing my hair with some water just to freshen it. Actually, just to make my hair a bit more malleable, pliable, so that I can part it nicely. Okay, so I'm going to work that water in. And this section is quite small. So I think here I'm gonna do maybe 2 twists in this section, I think. I'm not quite sure. So I'm just gonna do some light finger detangling. Okay, now I'm gonna part my hair. And I'm not gonna be too fussy with the way I part my hair. I'm just gonna use my fingers because I suck at parting my hair in general. So I'm not gonna waste time trying to make perfect parts with the rat tail comb, which I do have. I'm gonna use it to make nice partings at the front because no one is gonna see the back. Sorry, I'm looking here because I have my mirror right here. So I might actually make my sections a bit smaller. I don't know, should I start off small? Oh my goodness, I think I should do 3 in this section. It seems a bit big. Okay, so I'm taking about 1/3 of this section. I'm gonna clip the rest away. Now I'm gonna take some edge control, and I'm just gonna apply it to the edges. Okay, now I'm gonna start twisting, and I'm just doing like a simple twist going straight down. I'm not doing like a twirl and twist. I'm just doing a normal twist. And I think towards the end I'm gonna add some product. Just adding some curl enhancing product to my ends just to curl it up and make sure that it stays moisturized. Okay, so moving on to the next one. Just gonna do the same thing. Don't want to dampen it too much, but just a little bit. Okay, and now I'm gonna twist. Applying some product to seal, to lock in the end. I'm really just misting the hair, it's nothing too hectic. Okay, applying some edge control. Okay, I'm gonna start the twist. And I was actually planning on braiding the base, but now I just don't feel like it. It's just gonna take extra time. Okay, I think I like how these twists are looking like. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, I'm just gonna do the same thing that I did to the first section to this section right here. I'm just gonna fast forward through it, and yeah, I'll probably show you guys better what I'm doing once I get to the front. Okay, so this is how my twists are looking like. Okay, so it's the next day, and yeah, yesterday when I was done twisting it was getting pretty dark, so I didn't bother showing you guys how it looked like. But basically it kind of looks the same. I think it just looks a bit more limp, a little bit more flat, but that's because I slept with the headscarf on, and obviously my hair is flat right now, but I believe that it will like puff up a little bit more and look less flat. But I think it's cute. I think this hairstyle is very versatile. I can already imagine all the hairstyles I'm going to be doing with it, and I'm excited. I like how I can tie it back to a pony and it just looks like something else. I want to get to a point where my twists are hanging here. Granted, maybe if I had blow dried my hair and hadn't added any water, maybe they would have been here, but I don't know. But I want to get to a point where my twists are hanging down here, and that's probably going to require my hair to be like down my knee. That's fine. If my hair needs to get to my knee in order to have longer twists, we'll get there. This is how the ends are looking. Also did some swoopty swoop action on my edges. I'm really feeling my edges today. I think they look cute. My hair also looks shiny and it feels so nice. It feels so nice and moisturized. With this protector style, I can feel that my hair is nice and soft and moisturized. And yeah, anyway guys, Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked that. I hope you're gonna try this out. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and also follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And you can find all of our information for all of those social media platforms in the description box. So I guess that's all. If I haven't said thank you so much. If you did like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And thank you once again. We'll see you on our next video. Bye.